What's going on, YouTube? This is Mr. Jets Fan 1223, and I'm making an airsoft spring rifle review. It is one of those old-fashioned kinds of spring rifles. Clock back. I was just shooting this thing. Wait a second. Just put it right there. And look. So it is clocked back, and okay, once it is clocked back, just put it forward and shoot it. It does take about 15 bullets. It's a single file shot, which kind of sucks, but it takes out 50 rounds. Shoots up to I don't know, say 45 to 50 feet. And the cool thing about this one is, if you see other airsoft videos, this is an old-fashioned, but it doesn't really jam because it doesn't have that much gear since it is a pump. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you don't have to pump this like a million times. It's an easy pump. All you have to do is just pump it like 5 times to 10. Depends if you want to shoot it in a shooting range. Yeah, and let me just show you. If you see other YouTube videos, it will be hard. It's easy to take it apart, but kind of hard to put it back together. So for this one, it relies on screws. So let me just get out my screwdriver and screw this. Okay, it is now apart, and I just got the back off of it. That kind of really doesn't help, but for me, it's pretty cool because you could just, like, now shotgun mode, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, Terminator. Just go like, yeah, it's a pretty cool gun. So goodbye, YouTube, and I will make more airsoft guns later. And my next video will be about the airsoft rifle or Uzi. It will find out after my next video. Goodbye, YouTube.